What's up, fit people? Welcome to Home Workouts by Coach Remy. Today's workout is going to be cardio. So it's 10 rounds of cardio. We're going to jump right into our workout. The first 15 seconds we'll do just slight hip mobility. Alright. If it's your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button and make sure you type a comment about the intensity of the workout. That will help me know how hard or how easy these workouts are. Alright, so thank you and let's get right into our workout. So, wide stance, let's do hip mobility. We'll follow up with stationary jogging, change direction of rotation. Alright, let's go stationary jogging. Let me start my walk. Follow me. Make sure you're breathing into the nose and out through the mouth. And you have to hold the breath a little bit. This is the modification. So it's burpee, lateral hop, sytem. This is modification. Then you go back, burpee. Okay. So let's go. We're going again to stationary jogging. Deep breath in. Okay, let's go. So next one is quick flip to high knees. So we do a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the modification, alright? Okay. Quick flip, high knees. Quick flip, high knees. Beautiful. Deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. We're going to stationary jogging. Let's Go. Good. Rest. Wow. So this is modification. We're going to star fly. Yeah? People are not explosive, they do this for 45 seconds. Okay? Let's go. Get tired, you can pause, and when you have regained, you press play.
What's wrong with me? Where should I be?
Wow, wonderful guys. Deep breath in. We're going to stationary jogging. Let's go. Beautiful. So now we're going to crisscross squat. So you squat, you come. Each time you switch, you're crossing. Let's go. Beautiful. Stationary jogging. Deep breath in. Let's go. Beautiful. Wow. Final exercise. My watch is already telling me 100 and So next one is mountain climb. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. We're almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. That was so good. Ooh. What a workout. Well done, guys. In. Ah, yeah. So, thank you for choosing to spend your time with me. If you enjoyed the workout, give it a thumbs up. Tell me how it felt. Because you see, I'm also out of breath. If you give it your all, you will be able to. Charlie, my watch is telling me a total of 167 calories. Wow. And my heart rate went up to 180. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with me. See you on day 37. Today was 35, so we have to increase bit by bit intensity. All right, take care and see you on day 37. Wow.